How do I determine if an ISO is a hybrid? According to this URL. A more recent example is the release of hybrid ISO files that can be booted or started from both PD or DVD and USB flash drive devices when the image is written to any of these storage devices. How do I use standard Linux tools to determine if the ISO I've downloaded, edit, or created via Genesis Image is a hybrid? Thanks.
Run the file command on the ISO image in question. The output from running this command on a non-hybrid ISO will look something like this. Image.iso column ISO 9660 CD-ROM file system data foo, bootable. While the output from running this command on a hybrid ISO will look something like this. Image.iso column DOS/MBR boot sector ISO 9660 CD-ROM file system data, DOS/MBR boot sector, foo, bootable. Partition 1 column it equals 0 by 17, active, start CHS, 0 by 0, 0, 1, end CHS, 0 by 288, 63, 32, start sector 0, 1,329,152 sectors.
Run disk on the file. If it shows anything meaningful, it is hybrid.
You can use a script to check the ISO image I flagged for inspect. This URL. Create a USB bootable device from an ISO image easily and securely. Don't want to mess up the system with DD command? Create a bootable USB from an ISO in one line, see it in action. Works seamlessly with hybrid and non-hybrid ISOs, SysLinux or UEFI compliant, such as any Linux ISO, Windows ISO or Rescue Live CDS like Ultimate Boot. You don't have to tweak anything, Bootazzo inspects the ISO file and chooses the best method to make your USB bootable.
You can run head C512 file.iso is greater than bytes.txt. In a proper non-hybrid ISO the bytes should all be zeros, maybe not visible by default in your text editor. Though in theory they could contain any random garbage, so in a non-zero case it is harder to confirm if it is a hybrid without more in-depth analysis of the bytes. For Windows users you can install the new Win32 CoreUtils package to get that command.
This detects a partition table, not present at non-hybrid ROM media. What I don't know how to determine, is between hybrid ISO and hard disk image.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.